Hi, this is John. Now we are going to see about the activity what is given in the page number 41. This activity will be having what is there is three questions here. The first activity is a series 5, 8, 11, 14 like that etc. We will solve this problem now, and there will be another activity here and another diagrammatic activity here. Okay, you have to fill up this table also. So when you are doing this in the book itself, you can draw the diagram, and you can even write the answer here itself. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the first pattern here. The first pattern will be what will be 5, 8, 11, 14. 5 and 8 will be having combination here, and we have to find out what is the combination between 8 and 11. So it is plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. So plus 3 is the pattern followed. So next we have to add 14 plus 3 is equal to, here it is 17. Okay, 14 plus 3 is 17. So 17 plus 3 is 20. Then 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. So here in this sum we are going to find out what is the pattern we are going to use. So the first number is 5 here. So the 5, the next number is 8 here. So 5 and 8 will be having a plus 3, right? The pattern is followed here is plus 3. Pattern எல்லாமே சேமாக தான் இருக்கும். So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So the plus 3 is the pattern followed here. So 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. And 20 plus 3 is 23. Now you are going to see about the next pattern here 15873. It is 7 is equal to 111, 6 ones here. Then it is 15873 into 14 is equal to 6 twos here. So what is going to follow the pattern here is, what is that is 7 here, 14, next one is 21. So 15873 and 21 will be equal to 333, 333. Those multiply here. Just to follow the patterns here. What is the patterns here is 7 tables is going on. So 7 here, 14, then 21, 28. 7 ones are 7 here. So the pattern is followed there is 6 ones here. So 7 twos are 14 now. So 2 is the number here pattern. So we follow it as 6 twos here. Similarly 7 threes are 21 here. So we write here 6 threes. Okay. Next we go for 7 fours are 28. So we are indulging with 4 here. So we have to write 6 fours here. The pattern followed here is, if you multiply this number with 7 also, we get the same number here. So if you know the patterns, multiplication is very, very easy. So into 7 means, what I am following here is 7th table 7, 14, 21, 28. So whatever numbers is coming here is 7 ones are, 7 twos are, 7 threes are, 7 fours are. This is the pattern they have followed here. Now we will see the next one. Draw the next two patterns and complete the table. So here they are given some diagram here. So it is having only one figure here. It has two figures same like that, and here it is the same figure is repeated again 3 times here. So here the pattern is here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So what about the next two patterns will be? It will be 4 times. Okay. Then what about the next pattern? The next pattern will be, it is about 5 patterns, or I can say it is the pattern will be having 5 figures like same thing here inside. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So we have followed a pattern here 1, 2, 3 figures same like that, and we are having what is that is here 4 figures same like that. Now we go for the next one is patterns here, and the what is the fill up, you have to fill up here inside the table. What is the patterns here is how many squares are there, how many circles are there inside. So when you go inside, the first is called as the first figure. The first figure is having how many circles are inside and how many squares are inside. So squares are only one square is here, and the circles are 1, 2, 3, three circles here. So whatever when you go for second figure, it has two squares and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are having 6 circles here. The third figure when you are going, you are having 1, 2, 3, 3 squares, and it you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here you are having 9 circles. So don't want to go and count here. You can even simply have a pattern here. What is the pattern here? So what is the pattern here we followed here is 1 to 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So you can't also will have the same thing. There are less how many squares are there in the fourth figure? So you are having 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 squares. So similarly we have in the fifth figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares. So when you are coming to circles, you are having the first figure has having 3 circles here. Here it is. The second figure is having 6 circles here, and the third figure is having 9 circles here. This is the pattern they have followed. Okay. So when you go inside here, you are having a pattern here 3, 6, 9. So it is something like that. What is that? Is a 3 table, correct? So 3. So 3 twos are 6. What is that is? Or I can say what is that is? 3 threes are 9. Yes. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. Thank you, students.